guys, welcome back to another video. My brother said to join him in Roblox, so I am gonna go ahead and join him in Roblox because why not?
Yeah, there's a surprise for you guys in there, for him and you guys. You already know it's a surprise.
No, I don't know yet. Okay, so my best guess is he created a long train and he wants me to drive in it. Really, that's my best guess. So anyways, I'm gonna wait for some things because the Roblox is loading it. And then
Hi. That's our chain, you know?
okay, I'm gonna go with you because why not?
So do you guys wanna know what the surprise is?
Yeah.
Runaway chain.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be you building a long train, then you want me to drive it.
The runaway train is kind of slow because it has like, where did it go?
I'm gonna go see if I can see it anywhere. See you guys in the next video, but not really in the next video because I haven't even ended this thing yet.
Okay, I'm just gonna go search around for the train. I have no idea where it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna circle around the map.
I swear if you deleted my train. Alright, is it real fast, friends? Bro, I'm gonna catch you going on the side of me and I'm gonna miss it and I'm gonna have to go back all the way over. I swear.
It might be a bear there. Sorry guys, I made my oh my gosh, my brain stopped working.
My train is going so slow right now. It's going so slow that it's going so slow. But
Well, I'm gonna search around here. Okay. Any minute now, any second now, any hour now, any day. Well, now we know where it is.
it's not my train!
Oh, it's your train.
It's not my train!
There you go, guys. Here's a real. I'm a real fanner. See you. Anyways, we're gonna continue looking for that train because I have no idea where that thing is.
He's about to come up next to me, bro.
Oh, I wish I could show you guys this, but sadly I can't because it's happening on my brother's tablet. His friend's train is coming right towards him.
Wait, is it coming right at me? No, it isn't. It's on the other track.
Wait. Oh, never mind. Wait. I want to show you guys something cool. Oh, it's cool, but I wish I could show you guys, but sadly I can't. It's happening on my brother's tablet.
Train me.
So anyways, we're gonna go up here, then we're gonna see this. Oh, yeah. It's a big train. What is that? What happened? Anyways, we're gonna continue searching because I don't know, we're just gonna continue searching. Anyways, this is getting a little trippy, so I'm gonna... Oh my gosh, I don't want to look at my feet.
Huh? Hey, yo!
What? The camera was making me do that. Bless, at least Colin Gamer is not the only person who did that.
I had the feeling he deleted my train.
Whoa, look at that.
Did you see it?
Oh, I'm gonna jump in here. Wee! Bro, where is this freaking train at?
Facts. Bro, imagine if he just deleted it.
It is nowhere to be. Oh, wait, is that it?
It's going slow?
Yeah.
Good. Because my train is also going slow. Look how slow it is. That's a -12 and it's still going really slow.
Wait. It might be this way.
Might be that one. Could be that one. Might be that one. Where even am I right now?
Wait, I think it's coming on this track.
Is that it?
I don't know why I'm walking on the tracks, but I'm just doing it.
Because I want to get killed.
It's way farther than I thought it would be.
Zoom in. Not like that. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom in.
Wait. Oh, that's it.
that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That has to be it.
That's
There's no one driving that.
That's it. That's 1940, bro.
Okay, I found it. It's going like 1 house per hour.
Facts. Okay, I'm also going like 1 mile per hour because I'm going 60. I'll be right there in 2 hours.
In 2 hours. Anyways, guys, while that is happening, I'm gonna be your live CNN news because why not?
Live CNN news.
Breaking news today. There's just a train. There's just a train. There's a train.
Well, what's so good about the
There's
train?
another in the Pacific gonna collide with it.
What?
We're practically not colliding.
Is that a runaway train though?
Yes, it's practically a runaway train, so he's practically saving the day.
Yes.
I think I lost that.
2:43 a.m.
Okay.
Now it's 12
Oh,
o'clock.
10
That's how
o'clock.
I'm going. But I'm going so slow. So I'm going 60, but I'm actually going 1 mile per hour, bro. I swear.
Boy, luckily I didn't go down there.
Why is he going fast?
Oh no!
Why is he also going fast now? Bro, I want to look at the menu. That's nice sound.
Oh god! Just keep on running, dude. Just keep running. Do not stop.
The train's over here. I'm over here. He's over, and the runaway's over there. I got a whole view of the map.
Here is a perfect view of right here. What's going
How
on?
you read the map? The map.
That's the
me
runaway
there.
train.
That's me right there.
That's him. So he has a long way to go. I think. I think this one is this train. You guys are gonna collide. Your friend's train is back there somewhere.
Hong Kong.
Hurry up, so they don't collide.
Boy.
Anyways, it's probably ruining
I'm
your
going
business.
60 miles per hour, but I'm practically going 1 mile per hour.
I'm gonna bring you it from the mountain. Here is a live view from the mountain.
Zoom out, bro.
No, this is
Zoom out.
and we're looking right here where that little cross gate is.
I'm right there.
We're gonna look right here actually.
I'm right there.
Oh, there it comes in. He has oh!
This is going
derailed.
absolutely wrong.
He derailed. He derailed.
Fun fact, do not try this at home.
Yeah, you never try this as a conductor. Never. It's for your own safety, kids.
You're a kid. And it crashed. I'm gonna get another train, be right back.
Why would you need it?
Oh god, not again.
You oh, come on. Why? There he is. Ran him. He's caught.
This freaking train though.
I'm gonna bring you guys live from over here.
Right, faster than the train. Bro, I'm actually faster than the train too. And I'm walking.
There is my brother. He's walking and he's beating it. And there's the train. Oh my gosh. He's dead. Oh, I think he got crushed. Oh no, he's alive. You guys can go ahead and skip this part because I'm practically just running everywhere trying to chase down the train. Wait, I'm not even running. Oh yeah, I was. Okay. Here's a live view from right here. Sorry, my brother's cat was ruining the view.
What's up, gang?
Dude, stop. I'm recording actually.
What a beautiful runaway train.
There he is.
A beautiful
There he
runaway
is,
train.
guys. There he is. He's on his way. He's on his way. Wait, let me check the map. Come to Google Map. I don't know where his friend went. Let me see if his friend is even still in the game. Yep. I don't know where his friend's train is at. They might be right there. Yeah, I think it's up to station, guys.
Train too.
Anyways, I'm gonna bring you guys live from the bridge. You guys can go ahead and skip.
This server feels lonely.
Lonely.
Shut up. You're gonna get copyrighted.
You know what? Good point. Anyways, where even is this bridge at? I've been.
You missed the bridge, bro. You're at the end of the map.
Oh, I'm at the edge of the map. Oh. Bro.
I'm starting to ES44 AC, bro.
Oh. There's
Oh, this is my friend.
the lovely train.
This is my friend.
Wait,
Look.
that's your friend? Ah.
Why did that train look like he was stopped? Oh no, still going. Uh-oh.
Where is he? Where's the train?
Are you blind or something?
Is that him?
Let's see. My friend.
The animal train was going over there.
Let's see. My friend is driving what's it called? A universal passenger train. I'm driving a single train trying to stop the runaway train, and they're driving no train. So that leaves us with my train.
So you have models?
Yes.
So it's going that way.
My favorite train's inner models. I love inner models.
I'm gonna see where the map is. I think the train might be coming.
Doesn't have
this
my friend
way.
over here, bro.
I think that little one is Renzo, then I think
That's me
that
right
one is
there.
a runaway train.
That's me right there, and that's the runaway.
The long one is a runaway.
Yeah.
I think they might collide, guys. I think they might collide.
Do it again.
I think. Okay. It's like a theory. It's like a game theory. Also, go check out that channel. It's cool. Nice. He always brings up some. Yeah, he always brings up Five Nights at Freddy's videos. If you want to watch him, his name is Game Theory, Food Theory, Film Theory, Style Theory.
How come you're not telling them where the train is? You're just telling them about game theory. No one wants to know about game theory right now.
Okay, he's about at the bottom of the map. The one that's standing here waiting for it like a dummy, even though I know that he's probably far away.
Boy, you're going the wrong way. You're already gonna meet up over here.
Huh? Okay, this POV is not FOV. Not helping. So okay. Oh, bro, I went backwards. I wasn't even close to going to the bridge. Oh, I see him, guys. There he is.
I'm coming. I'm already gonna go under the bridge right now. We're about to derail again. And again. And again.
I'm gonna bring you live from the bridge right now.
Wait,
Wait,
right now.
See, guys, I told you. Wait, zoom because my screen was stuck. Oh my gosh, is that the Union Pacific? Oh my god. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
hop
we're
off
gonna
of
crash.
3, 2, 1. Bink.
And we survived. No, we're not. No,
Yeah.
we're not. Stop the train.
Oh. Oh crap.
My train's ready. I did it.
He saved it today.
I'm a hero now. I'm a hero from Unstoppable Train now.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. So Renzo, if you could talk to her, that'll be waiting. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.